Hello my friends, my name is Olga Ivanova and today is day 14 of 90 days video series in my online business education challenge. And today I want to tell you about content sharing as one of the ways to make money online. I follow the idea, which is my site name, idea to market online, and my purpose is to share the ways I have known how to earn through the internet. So if you are able to write and create content feeling that maybe will interesting to you in sharing revenue with authority sites. Good is here that by posting your content in authority sites, you will get more traffic than if you post it in your own blog, especially if you have new blog or don't have as much traffic as you want. In return to your content, you will get your portion of money that authority sites make. So I analyzed these sites and posted the list of these sites in my blog post, and if it is interesting to you, go and see the list. And that's all for today's video. If you want to make own business online, to build own business online, join to my team in Mob. And this is a proven system to build own business online, and I started from scratch, and I will share with you how you do that in the quickest way in addition to your coaching and training programs. See you soon, Olga.